What's good, y'all? It's your boy Nick. What's good, y'all? It's been a while. I'm back from college. I have a whole lot of free time. I know I'm unemployed. So it's like, why not better myself this summer? And I'm going to start with cooking. So I'm starting with an omelet. So today I'm going to be making an omelet for the first time. So for the omelet I'm making today. So to cook this, alright, Yo. Alright, so for the omelet we'll be making today, we're going to need some eggs, of course. I have regular eggs here, but I also have these free-range Nelly eggs. I think they're organic. They're probably organic. They have to be organic. They're see-through. I don't think that I'm better than you guys or anything for using organic eggs, so I'm just using organic eggs. We're going to be using butter. I can't believe it's not butter. I'm not going to lie, guys. I don't eat cheese. I'm a fake vegan, so I'm going to be using... I also never made bacon before. Uncured turkey bacon. Might mean that it's organic. I don't know. I hope it is. And also honey roasted turkey breast. Honey roasted turkey breast. Now I have my list over here. Not a list. I copied it from the internet. I copied it from foodnetwork.com. Prep toppings and tools. As you see, I have my plate here. It's a nice plate, glass. Make sure your hands are washed, peeps. Ah! I cut myself earlier and I just got some soap in there. I'm gonna go with a calm 2 slices, feel me? I live in a house full of other people, so you know, I'm not a douche. I don't know. This smells a little weird. It might just be me though. I hope it's me. I can use a knife to cut this up, but you know, I'm an old-fashioned dude, so I'm just gonna use my hands. And like, yeah, this is a fat slab of turkey breast, but honestly, I don't see why you guys just can't use any regular cold cut or any types of meat, leftover meats. Let's say somebody made spaghetti and meatballs, and you got a meatball, and you just take the meatball meat and put it in your omelet. I never did it, but I don't see what the problem is. Now, does this look very appetizing and enticing the way I'm doing this? I think so. I think this looks pretty good. I said before that it smells kind of weird. Still smells a little weird. It might be me. I hope it's me. Also, according to the Food Network website, they recommend only 2 to 3 toppings. I'm doing 1 topping. I sadly did not. I'm lazy. I am lazy. Next time, I'm going to try to get fancy with it. Put some onions and tomato and basil. I don't know. Is that an ingredient people use? Crack eggs into a bowl and add a splash of water. My Nelly free-range eggs. Here's a different look at it from this angle. Yeah. I cracked the egg before. It's like this. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so how much eggs to use? The Food Network website did not tell me. So I think I'm going to just go with a calm fall. So I do not know what the hell that is on this egg. A part of me wants to just end this whole video and just start over because what the hell is this? Is that normal? What the hell is this? What the hell? Alright, yeah, you gotta go, pal. Oh, no, it's... Oh, my God. Wow. This looks gross. I'm sorry. But hey, on the bright side, whoever's cooking right now with me, yours is better than mine, so that's a win. It's a win for you. So you also have to add a splash of water. What is a splash of water? It sounds flirtatious. Splash of water. Let's get into it. Ready? And splash. Splash. I'm gonna keep this over here actually. Could get a little thirsty. Could get a little thirsty from cooking. Nice and so basically the splash of water, when you start cooking the omelet, the splash of water is gonna work to make the steam. Alright, so when it's cooking, the splash of water makes it steam, and the steam makes the omelet nice and fluffy, apparently. Alright, now you know. Had to put you on because I know everything. Whisk the egg vigorously. Now, I don't have a whisker. I probably do have it. I'm lazy. Like I said, I'm starving. Did I just spill? I can't tell. Can you stir it? You can't just stir it like this. You have to like do a technique with it. It's like, like a little circle. But I feel like if you wanted to put some seasonings in there, like some just, oh my God, I thought I saw something. I didn't see anything. Basically, the website didn't say to put seasonings in, but I feel like this would be a good step to do something. But what do I know? Like I said, I'm just a regular dude just making eggs in his house, you know? Nothing crazy going on over here. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in there. Also, it says to make sure you use unsalted butter so you can also, like, you know, regulate the amount of salt you want in your omelet. Is my salt unbuttered? I mean, is my bolt? Is my... I don't know. I don't care. Let's go. Alright, guys. So it's looking like it's time to move on to the next portion of the video. The cooking. I also have a camera over here. Alright, boom. Putting the butter on the pan. I never made bacon. I mean, how else would you make it other than putting the butter in the pan? Let's see this. Yeah. Got the egg mixture over here. And we're going to pour it in. Now, oh wow, this bacon smells great. It smells good. Boom. So I'm gonna put it in this pan. I think the pan, oh whoa. Oh my god. It's hella hot. Here it is. Oh, it smells amazing. I tried to get on the camera, but it smells great. Got this going. Oh, the eggs. I think bacon cooks pretty fast. Guys, yo, this smells crazy good. Oh my goodness gracious. The eggs might be cooking a little too fast. Pull eggs in from 4 sides, all 4 sides. So you're gonna pull everything towards the center, I think. I think this is fine. Let me read the next instructions. Yo, this bacon smells amazing. Wow. Oh, wait a minute. When did I put the toppings? Oh, damn it, guys. All right. I think I was supposed to add the toppings. I'm going to add it right now. I'm adding them all in. Oh, I think I messed up. Oh, I forgot to turn on the kettle. I am a mess. One thing about me is that I live on tea. Black tea specifically. I am a whore for tea. My mom hates when I say that, but I am. But yeah, I love it. I think tea's one of the greatest things ever. Like, it just keeps me right, you know? I think I messed up with the eggs, I gotta say. It don't look like this in IHOP. It is not. I think I should take this out. I think I should split the whole thing. Oh, God. Oh, man. The bacon looks good, though. This looks like crap. All right, so currently, the omelet does not look that much like an omelet. Oh! I'm not gonna lie, this bacon has turned to my pride and joy because I love the scent and I feel like it tastes pretty damn good. You guys are looking at the final results. Put 2 little bread halves in the oven, toasted them babies up. I love bread, especially with my tea. Not gonna lie, guys, it's looking a lot better than I thought. Wow, that looks great. By the way, let me know if you guys think this looks good. I think it looks pretty goddamn good. This looks good. Whoever's watching this, thank you for watching, and here we are. Like I said, I think this looks pretty damn good. Wow, this looks kind of, I'm not gonna lie, look at this angle. I can see this as a wallpaper. Whoever wants to use this as a wallpaper, you have my permission. Ready? It's a little chewy because it's burnt, but I think it's pretty damn good. And the turkey bacon, which I've been dying to eat. Banging. Oh, thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it. And if you could take anything from this video, anything, breakfast is important. Whether it be cereal, oatmeal, a granola bar, anything. Anything you can get your hands on, no matter what the cost, because everybody's not so fortunate. No matter what it is, though, breakfast, if you can, is extremely important. You gotta power yourself for the day. You're bringing these calories to work. You always gotta be your best. Eat breakfast.